So first we need to connect to the Oracle chip. So database is running fine. Okay. And then we
That's correct.
check the listener. Listener is also running fine. So you need to connect to the database.
But sometimes we are using a different one, like SQL plus. Hello.
For what?
Uh, so every database is a common by SQL plus forward slash and as SDBA to connect to database.
Yeah, actually, Slash is we can say it's like it like by default it's using the sys user one, and automatically it will capture the password from the password file.
Okay,
Okay, so automatically it will take the username and password from the password file, and then it will connect to the database. Okay,
Acha,
but
okay.
also we are using the TNS name. Okay, so
Uh,
if you want to connect to the TNS by using TNS name, then definitely you can. But for the only local server, if your database is running on this server and you are IJDBA, you have connected to that database and you are the part of the sysdba, then you are able to
yes.
connect to database by using SQL plus slash sysdba.
Okay,
Okay,
got it.
yeah. And if the application user want to connect to database, okay,
Uh,
or any client, so they definitely use the connection string name.
okay.
Okay, which like
Yeah, yeah.
we had like we are checking TNS ping ORC here. Okay, so it
Yes,
will
yes.
give you the TNS ping. Okay, so by escalation mark, as you know that in Linux, by using escalation mark, and you can use the Linux OS command here. Okay, if you are connected to
Yes,
SQL
sir.
SQL prompt, and if you want to execute any command, so either you can exist from the SQL, either you can use the escalation mark and give the Linux OS command here, so it will work.
Yes, bro.
Okay, so
Yeah.
here we have already set up the ORC here. So if client want to connect to this database, then they will use the connection string only, then they will able to connect to the database. But IJDBA, you are a part of the DBA and you are the part of the sys DBA group. Okay, and then when you connect to the Oracle database server, so by using this command SQL plus slash sysdba, you can connect to the database directly.
Okay,
Okay,
got it, bro.
yeah.
Got it.
So we have connected to the database, and we are
Yes.
checking archive log list. So here we can
Okay.
see archive is already enabled. So if suppose
Yes.
it's not enabled, then what you will do? You need to shut down the command. Shut immediate.
Start immediate.
Okay. This is the command, shut immediate. So keep your
Yes, yes.
database down, then you start the database on mount stage, okay? And then you
Yes.
can enable or disable the archive log. Just give the alter database archive log, or just give the, if you want to disable, then just give the archive alter database no archive log. That's it. This is the command, but you should know as a DBA, you should know how to enable and disable the archive log. So first, already it's enabled, so I will show you how to disable and then how to enable. Okay, so what
Okay.
we will do, we will start the database on mount stage, startup mount. On mount stage only you can start, means like enable or disable the archive log. So always keep that
Okay.
in your mind, because sometime interviewer will ask you how to, like if suppose your archive log is enabled, then how you will disable. So you should know the process. So you can easily say,
Yes, sir.
firstly, we need to shut down the database, start the database on mount stage, and then run this command. So what we will check? We will check the database stage
Okay, bye.
from $, database. So here we can see database is on mount state. Already we have start up the database on mount. Okay. Here we can see
Okay.
mounted. Okay. So database is
Yes.
on mount state. So what we will do, already our database is enabled.
Yes.
Archive log mode is enabled.
Yes.
So it will stop after 10 minutes, then again we will start it. Okay. So after 10 minutes it will stop. But before that I will say. So
So any
archive,
particular parameter is there by like example we have to create archives folder, na? Like any particular location we have to create some directory
yeah, this
to
is the
generate archives.
command. So I will show you where you can
Okay.
like set the parameter, where you can like do the changes.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
first I will show you the enable and disable. So currently it's showing the enable. Okay.
That's
So
right.
I will
Yeah.
disable it first. Alter database no archive log. That is the command. And if you want to like enable it, then you just need to run the archive log list. Here you can see disable, no archive log. Okay, and just open the
Yes. Yes.
alter database. Open. Okay, so this is the command. And here, if you check the database archive log, no
Yes.
archive log is disabled. Okay, and
Yes.
the
Yes.
for path, if you want to check, then show parameter log archive test one. That is the parameter where your archive log will generate.
Okay. Well, that's sure.
Okay. So if you
Yeah.
want to change, then just give the command alter system say, okay, log archive test one equal to in single quote location equal to full path. And always remember for the local server archive log location, you should means like you can uh, check in log archive test one means destination.
Okay.
Our archive log destination one means for the that local server, the destination at your destination one, you will find the archive log location.
Yes.
I will show you when we will configure the our physical standby. Now on that time we need to set all the parameters and everything.
Yeah. And may I
I
know how
just
to again enable this one, this parameter archive enable to disable now right now.
yeah. So we just we need to follow the same. Set immediate. Okay. Stop the database. Okay. When
Okay.
database will stop, then start the database on mount stage. Okay, and when
Yeah.
your database come up to mount state, then you just run the command. Here we have executed the command alter database no archive log. Okay,
Yes.
and when you want to enable, then just remove the no, just execute the command
Okay.
alter database archive log. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Start up mount. So here we have checked like our archive log is disabled, okay, and our database is in read write mode, means open mode. So what we will do first, we will stop the database. We will start the database on mount state. Here we can see database is started and mount state. If you want to check the state, then just select name open mode from $, database. Okay,
Okay.
so we are on mount state. Database is mounted. So what we will do? we will just run the command alt database archive log. Before we
Okay.
have executed no
I think
archive
it's
log, now we have executed the
by
archive.
spelling mistake before I think. Archive.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah,
This is sorry.
archive log. Okay,
Okay.
so we just execute.
Yeah.
Now database is altered. Now here we can check archive log list, and it will give you the enabled and this log. Means like this.
Okay, right. Got it.
Okay. If you want to
Yeah.
change, then I will show you how to change the part. So what we will do, we will go to the uh, IF location. Okay, okay,
As well.
ls-ltr. Here we can see there is a archive log directory. Means archive log
Okay.
folder. What we will do, we will create a directory name by name mkdir archive, archive only, or archive underscore log. Now we
Right.
have a new directory. Okay,
Okay.
and we want
Yeah,
to
got it.
change the database. We want to change the data directory location. So here you can check our database is on mount stage. Okay,
Yes.
this is the first one. So what we will do, we will change by using alter. Our database is on mount stage. Okay,
Yes.
select name, open mode from the dollar database. Okay, mount stage. So what we will do, alter system set. Okay, top archive test one equal to, in single quote we need to give the location
Location.
equal
Okay.
to, we need to give the, we need to copy this part from here. Okay, and then we need to give the new directory name. This is the directory name. That's it.
Yes. Yeah.
Scope equal to both. Okay, if you
Yeah.
will check archive log list, now here you can check password had been changed.
Yes. Right.
Right here it was giving the capital A archive log. There is no underscore. Now here we have given the new path archive underscore log. So this is the new
Yes.
one.
Right.
Okay. So what we will
Yeah.
do,
Finish that.
we will set up the previous one because we have some
Yeah.
archive log. So also we can copy, but we have already. So we will set up that path. Okay.
Yes. Right.
Yeah. So I have just shown you how to change.
Yeah. Understand how to change.
Yeah. I have
Example,
just shown you.
sometimes archaeologs also the space is not there means we
Yeah.
can create
So
another archaeolog, na?
yeah, so they were like client said like we are having the much space in that drive, so you need to change the archival location on this part. Okay, so
Yeah.
you will easily change by using this command.
Yes. Yes. Right.
Okay, so I will put the means like first one. So you can give only
And
this command, also it will work. No need to give the scope both and all.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, so
So
it will.
why we are using this scope actually an issue is happened like regarding that Sinbai and it executed this scope at the ending of this query sometimes
Mhm.
is equal to both like he told like that is a SGA parameter like that he said.
Yeah, yeah. I'll give you a command. The command name is v dollar parameter. Okay. So there is
Okay. Okay.
some command where it will give you the static and some of the dynamic. Okay.
Okay. Static and dynamic. Okay.
Yeah. So some of the command which will run as a bot, na, so it will work like a, you can check everything like for log archive test one, for standby file management. Okay. So it will give you the detail which one is the static, which one is the dynamic. Okay, so you will get the idea. So there is a one
Okay, okay.
view. There is a in the Oracle database. There is a one view called V dollar parameter. So it will give you the
DB dollar
detail.
parameter. Okay.
Yeah, it will give you the complete information about the parameter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
DB
what we
dollar
will do,
parameter.
we will stop the session and then again reconnect because it's showing
Okay.
the less than 1 minute.
Okay, buddy.
Okay. So we need
Okay.
to stop and then again